Well, here she is. Our brand spanking new Can-Am Defender HD8. Our new dog training / farm utility / grooming machine. Probably put tracks on it next winter, some Can-Am Alpine tracks. This one's got the 800cc motor, not the 1000 or 999 like Can-Am calls it. This is the XT package, Defender XT. The difference between this one and the DPS, it obviously has power steering. Comes with a winch. The DPS does not come with a winch, and this comes with a bumper too up front. I had them install a windshield, a glass shield for me. Keep the elements out. Look at how new this is. Still got stickers on the tires there. Some Maxxis Bighorn tires, good traction there. Another thing that the XT offers versus the DPS is the nicer instrument cluster there. It's more what I'm used to with, you know, running the Scandic 900. It also has a 3-mode throttle control. Go into work mode, normal, or eco. They say you want to go into eco when you're going over lots of bumps. It decreases the throttle sensitivity. Got a tilt on the steering wheel, winch control right here, lights obviously, a little bit of storage down there. You got storage up here. I also had them put in a windshield in the back. Let's go around here. Nice glass shield in the back. The bed's pretty cool too. It's, you know, all hard plastic, but they put these recessed bucket circles in there, or propane, or whatever else you have. Then you can stick some slats of wood in here, make some dividers, either this way or the long way. Tailgate super easy to open. Tons of accessories you can get for this thing. There's a whole catalog. I think it's like 80 pages long that you can get all kinds of accessories. Another cool thing is this got a 2,500 pound tow capacity versus previous years. They had 2,000 pounds, and it's because they increased the brake system. They beefed up the brake system, but you got a 2-inch receiver there, which is really nice. You can also adjust the shocks for towing or soft ride. You can also get beefier springs for it too if you're using it exclusively for towing. And the box pops up on either side. It's pretty cool. Oops. There's a 799 cc motor. Rotax engine. Great motor. It still has the belt drive, you know, like a snowmobile would. The belt's on the other side. They call that the CVT. Go on the other side, check it out. Yeah, the belt's down there. Still has that new Can-Am smell. I took it for a little spin last night out to get the mail down to the end of the road. That's about it so far. They say about 200 miles of breaker in. We have the nets on there. Those will probably come off. I think I'll take those off here pretty soon. Oh, also you can't drive this thing unless the driver's side seat belt is engaged. We got some cool storage under here. A little toolbox here. Put your tools in there, or lunch or whatever. It comes right out. Get the damn thing back in. Got store. This goes up too. Maybe we could have a dog or two ride in here. If Toivo wants to come. Got your little coffee holder. Of course, you got a 12-volt outlet right there. There's another 12-volt underneath. Got a dash tool case. And this also comes out of here too. That. Lots of cool stuff. Man, I can't say enough about Can-Am. They build high quality equipment. Skidoos, some of the best working machines on the market. This is one of the best in its class. Really looking forward to breaking her in, maybe having a little fun. But she's going to be a workhorse for us here at the kennel. What do you think, Toivo? He probably wants to go for a ride. Well, let's go take it for a ride. .1 miles. Oh, another cool thing here too is it's got your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, rear diff lock. It's off right now. The vehicle has to be stopped to put it in diff lock, in or out of diff lock. So that's something I'm gonna have to get used to. We'll take it out of diff lock right now. And then same thing with 4-wheel drive. You want to make sure that you stop the vehicle before you switch it. Noticed right away was the amount of visibility you have in this machine. It's hard to show on the camera, but I can see everything sitting inside here. The hood does not obstruct my view at all. Just nice and quiet, super smooth. thing too I noticed is the turn radius is absolutely amazing. Give another shot here for you. Pretty nice machine. I'm impressed. Extremely impressed. It's going to be a huge improvement over our 20-year-old Arctic 500 ATV. Massive improvement. Let's see if we can get her stuck in some snow here. Another awesome thing about this is it turns on a freaking dime. That's a tight circle, man. I bet you my four-wheeler can't even turn that tight. Oh, maybe it can. Well, that's it for the test run for the 2019 Can-Am Defender XT. Pretty sweet vehicle, man. I love it.